So you love traveling, but you have a lot of valuables that you don't want to put in your check-in bag. You just want to carry them. So I have a solution for you, and I'm going to introduce to you this brand called Foldie. So they sent me these 2 travel bags for me to review. Let's open it. This is black and beige. All right, so this is the bag, and you can carry this in 2 ways. As a shoulder bag like this, or a cross-body bag. And the straps are padded, adjustable, and detachable. They're very versatile. There. So of course, if I'm gonna put a lot of stuff in here, I'm not gonna carry it like this, but I'm gonna put it here. It has this feature here at the back, so you could insert it here. There. And it has a zipper pocket. You could put your passport, card holder, money, anything. It's very convenient because some people, when they're lining up, they're carrying their passport with them or any other important documents. So it's very clever for them to put a compartment here. You can put your money or your passport here. So you don't have to put it in your backpack or even carry it with you. So because of this one, it just makes everything convenient and hassle-free. So this is the best way to pack light without compromising space. So it opens wide, and the zipper is very smooth, durable, and jam resistant. And there are a lot of built-in compartments. So first one, we have the front pocket. There. So you can put an iPad here, a small one, and then it has another zipper compartment here. So you can put your jewelry and any other valuables, or even your money. And then another feature, it has these 2 compartments on the sides. So this can be a gym bag aside from a travel bag. So you can put your water bottles on each side. This one is expandable too. So even if it's expandable, this is still airline approved. This will fit under the seat. It has compartments here. There. You can put pens. You can also put your card holder. And then another feature is a water resistant pocket. There. It has plastic. Oh, you can use this as a beach bag too, or for swimming, because it has this waterproof pocket. Look how spacious the bag is. There. Yeah, travel bag, beach bag, gym bag, everyday errands bag. What else? Overnight bag. Very versatile. You can use it anywhere, anytime. And the best part is it's very lightweight. It has a structured bottom, prevents it from sagging when it's full. It folds flat, so when you're about to start your vacation, you may not need this, and you just fold it flat inside your suitcase. It's lightweight. And then when you come back, that's the time you fill this up. Aside from this having a water-resistant pocket, the whole bag is water-resistant. And this one is available in different colors. So if you love colorful bags, I'm going to show you all the colors here. There. So if you want to travel light, go get this bag because it's going to make your travel very convenient and hassle-free. And then I have a discount code with them. That's Rosie15. And they have a promo right now. You get this bag, buy one, get one free.